Yeah, hello friends. Welcome back to our channel. Let's learn trading once again. Okay, so today we are going to have a look at how to do an adjustment for the losing call options. Okay, so since you guys are aware of that, Nifty have made a very huge upside rally in the past 1 month of a time. Okay, and if any of you guys have stuck with any call options sold at the higher price, okay, so this video might help you to do an adjustments. Okay, and if you guys are watching our video for the first time, then I would request you guys to watch all our previous videos whatever we uploaded. Okay, so we have uploaded lot many adjustment related videos, new option strategies, and our past few trades as well. So all those things we have uploaded in our video. Okay, so I'd request you guys to subscribe to our channel and also click on this bell icon so that whenever we upload any new videos you'll be getting a notifications. Okay, and so let's look at how the Nifty performed. Okay, so you can see that, so this is the rally of Nifty for the past weeks and all. Okay, so here we can see Nifty have started moving up and it moved in a very straight line, and right now it's trading at the level of 13,529. Okay, so we can see that Nifty is making an new all-time high every day. Okay, so for the past 1 week if you look at, so Nifty is making a new all-time high on daily basis. Okay, so if you guys have been there in the sold call option, then I would see that trade might be giving you one huge losses. Okay, so in this video we'll be going to look at how to do an adjustments. So other than that, if you guys want to know about the other services whatever we provide, so the respected website link and the WhatsApp numbers are there in the descriptions. Okay, so you guys can WhatsApp me to know about the services we provide. Okay, so how to do an adjustment for an sold call option in the bullish markets. Okay, so this is our Twitter handle, so you guys can follow that as well. Okay, so there is a disclaimer before we start our adjustments videos. Okay, so this is just only for an educational purpose and it's not an advice or suggestions we are giving you guys. Okay, so today we are going to have a look at the 4 methods to adjust the sold call in this bullish market. Okay, so let's look into an adjustments of 4 different methods. So how to hedge or how to do an adjustment for the sold call to minimize the losses. Okay, so method number 1. Okay, so method number 1 is buy a call option on the higher strike to limit your loss on the upside. Okay, so since you have, so let's say for example you have an sold call option at the level of 13,500, then since after looking at this rally you can buy in 13,600 or 700, so whatever the call option you can sell as per your risk capitals. Okay, so by this way we'll be converting our naked sold call option into one bear call spread. Okay, so by doing this we'll be going to convert the naked call into a bear call spread, and also we'll be limiting our losses on the upside. Okay, so if market is going to keep on move on the upside, so what will happen is we'll be not going to lose anything, means like our losses will be limited only, so we are not going to lose other than our maximum losses whatever as per the max loss based on your buying call options. Okay, so this is method number 1, and this might minimize your profit, but also the capital required for this strategy will be lesser only. Let's say for example for selling an naked call option, the capital required will be somewhere around 1.2 to 3 lakhs. Okay, so if you do this bear call spread, then your margin requirement will come down to 25,000 to 35,000 maximum. Okay, so by this way, even if you are getting a limited minimum profit, but the return on investment based on trading capital will always be same for a naked call option as well as for the bear call spreads. Okay, so the method number 1 is you can buy and call option on the higher side. Okay, so method number 2. So the method number 2 is buy and call option in the next month contract. Okay, so instead of buying the call option in the same contract, same expiry, what you have to do is buy the next month's contracts call option. Okay, so by doing this, what you are going to do is you will be going to convert your naked call sell into one calendar spread. Okay, so by doing this, we don't have an we don't have unlimited losses on the upside if the market is going to keep on move on the upside. Also, if market reverses, we are not going to lose much on the bought call option, because since it's the next expiry trade, next expiry call option. Okay, so we are not going to lose the entire premium available in that particular call option, since it's a next week or next expiry's call option. Okay, so by doing this, we'll be converting our naked call sell into a calendar spread. Okay, so this is method number 2, and method number 3 is sell OTM put if market starts moving higher. Okay, so for example, let's say for example you have sold 13,500 call option. Okay, so while the market is trading at the level of 13,200 or 300, you have sold 13,500 call option. Okay, so since by now market came to 13,500. Okay, so in this case, what you can do is you can either sell 13,200 or 300 put options on the downside. So by doing this, you will be converting your naked sell call option sell into one short strangle. Okay, so by doing this, we can extend a little bit of an upside break even further upside based on the put option premium whatever we are selling. Okay, so you can convert your naked call into a short strangle. Okay, so other than this, the method number 4 is simply what you can do is you can just simply close the current expiry's call option with the whatever the loss you have, and you can move to a next expiry. Okay, so if let's say for example you have sold the call option for 100 rupees, and right now based on this bullish movement, your call option is trading at the price of 150. Okay, so what you can do is you can just look for the next month's next expiry's call option with the premium of 150. Okay, so in this case, what you are going to do is you'll be going to cover the 50 rupees loss whatever you have made in this particular trade, and also you'll be collecting the extra premium of 100 rupees. Okay, in this case, we are booking the loss right now, but we'll be going to collect that loss back in the next expiry. Okay, so this is simply breaking the trades, and we'll be moving to one next expiry. Okay, so this is the method number 4. Okay, so we'll be going to get the profit after next expiry only, but we are not going to lose our capital. Okay, so the main motto of our trade should be we should not lose the capital. Okay, so that is the rule number 1 always. Okay, so you're doing this method number 4, we'll be simply doing we'll be closing the current trade, and we'll be entering into next month's trade. Okay, so either you can do any one of this method, or you can combine multiple methods to your same trade whatever you have. Okay, so hope you guys have liked this adjustments video. So if you guys liked it, please click on that like button, and also share with your friends, and also provide your feedback in the comment section, so that might even help me or it will motivate me to do multiple videos in the future term as well in the related to one adjustments. Okay, so thanks for watching, friends. So please don't forget to like our videos, and also subscribe and click on the bell icon. And if you still have any queries, and if you need any services whatever we provide, so please WhatsApp us to the number 730-522-6224, or also check our website www.letslearntrading.com. Okay, so thanks for watching, friends. Happy investing and happy trading.